Okay, so here's part B. Yesterday we learned that we had some interesting approximations for pi.
Yep.
Rational number approximations. 22/7, which is a very common one, which was an okay approximation, 3.1428571,
Yeah.
approximately. Then we found 333 over 106.
Which was around 3.1415. Which
Yeah.
got our date from yesterday.
That's how we got our date from yesterday. So yesterday was happy 333 over 106 day. And then there was an amazing approximation, 355 over 113, which was 3.1415929. So super close
Yeah.
to pi. Now the interesting thing, if we go back to our unit circle, if this has a radius of 1, how far around is pi?
Well, it's going to be
What's the circumference of
the
the circle?
circumference in integer form.
No, in what is the actual circumference of this circle that has a radius of 1?
Well, it's gonna be pi. The circumference is pi. It has a radius of 1,
Yeah?
so it's pi times the radius squared. No, that's the area.
That's the area.
So it's gonna be 2 pi.
How come?
2 pi times 1 is the circumference.
How did you figure that out?
There's the circumference formula is 2 pi times the radius.
2 pi times the radius. So if I'm going around the circle, going all the way around once gets me to 2 pi, a distance of 2 pi.
and then going around half
Going around half gets you a distance of
pi.
pi. So this is the pi tau debate that you guys have seen. Pi is halfway around a circle. Tau is once around the circle. So what do you think is more natural to consider?
Probably
Tau.
tau.
You guys are in the Tau camp?
Yeah.
Do you want to celebrate Tau Day?
Maybe.
Okay. So pi is approximated by this. If I multiply all these fractions by 2,
You get tau.
I get 2 pi. So 2 pi is approximately 44/7 or 666
Over 106.
over 106, or what's 355 times 2?
It's 710
710
over 113.
over 113. Okay, so now we're going to use this really cool program that Josh Bowman made
Yep.
to look at the pith roots of 1 and see where they lie on the circle. And we're going to see some special numbers come into play. 44, 666, and 710.
Yeah.
So you can see the geometry of some of the continued fraction numbers we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Cool.